Okay guys, good morning. So today is the day that we are getting the new tires for the BMW. They are already at the dealership. So our appointment is for 8:30, which gives us a little bit of time. 6:43 right now. Gives us a little bit of time to have fun in the car. Now unfortunately it is very foggy today, so hopefully the roads are going to be okay, but we shall see. And it is also a Friday morning, so I am expecting quite a bit of traffic. We are going to drive outside of the city limits. We're going to try to get out to the open and back country roads, and hopefully the traffic's not too bad out there. Let me turn off the AC real quick. Hopefully the traffic won't be too bad out there. Now I did kind of figure out how to set up the GoPro, so let's see how well that goes. But anyways guys, we need to run and put some gas in the car. Oh, and let me show you guys the mileage. 39,166. So I've driven it, I don't know, 140, 150 miles so far. So 39,166. Today is Friday. We went on Monday to CarMax, and they told us that they were going to give us new tires. And they came in yesterday, so we will be going today to get them installed. But before we do that, let's see if we can have a little fun with the car. Anyways, guys, let me go ahead and drive out there, and then I'll come back and get you. Okay, guys, so we are near the road where I wanted to drive today, and as you can tell, it is still very foggy out. So, I was hoping it would clear up, but I guess not. So I don't know how much we're going to be able to record. Although I do want to have fun with the car and all that, we also need to be safe as well. And keep in mind, we still are on 5-year-old rear tires. So we're not going to do anything crazy today, but hopefully we'll do a little bit of spirited driving. I'm going to ease into it real quick. Let's get away from all this traffic though. And go for it. And it still does get a little bit of wheel spin, boys. But this car is quick. Dangerously quick. Let that cowboy on the highway real quick. I mean, but this car moves. The roads are wet, and it does have the old rear tires on there, so it is going to spin. Unfortunately, I did do a pretty good pull earlier, and when I went to check the GoPro, it was not recording. So I decided I owed you guys one good one at least. And there it is. Now we need to run over to the dealership and get this car there by 8:30. Okay guys, so we do got a fresh new set of tires on there. They're a little dirty. We had to drive 10 miles on these already, but they are brand new. There you go. They were free of charge by CarMax. They're a little dirty from being mounted, and also we had to drive over here to another shop to actually get the alignment done. So the alignment was a little bit off in the rear. Nothing crazy, but it was a little bit off, so they fixed that. Also covered by CarMax. So fresh new set of rear tires and alignment, all done by CarMax. I think that's a good day. Appreciate it, CarMax. Anyways guys, we're gonna go ahead and head home and end this video. Okay guys, so we are back in the car. We did not do anything crazy earlier because, well, the road conditions just weren't the best. We did get the new tires. Unfortunately, they do need to be washed, but we'll handle that when we get home. So I'm going to set you guys down. That way you can at least hear the car rev up a little bit, and hopefully that'll make up for the lack of burnouts.